Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I'll be showing you how to do initial setup on the Samsung Galaxy S25. Let's begin. So as you can probably see, I've just made a factory reset on my phone, and now I have this welcome screen. So in order to progress further, we simply click this first button. We need to choose our language. I will choose English, but I have to find it first. So choose our English. We can connect to a mobile network. We can say next. And we don't have to agree into the optional one. We are not going to do an easy setup with another device. We'll just set up manually. And now I will add a network. You could skip it, though I want to showcase you all the functionality because there is quite a lot going on with Google. So let me quickly connect to this network, and I will quickly input the password. And okay. And now we have our internet connection. So now we can also connect to a mobile network. I will do that later, since I could easily just insert a PIN, a SIM right now, but we don't have to do it currently. It is not needed for full configuration, so don't worry about that. You can just always remove your SIM card tray later and then insert your SIM card. So now the Google is getting our phone ready. We can choose to copy apps and data. If you have any backups, especially on the Google account, then you should click next, and you should just follow the instructions. I don't have any backups, so I will click don't copy. Now we have to log in. Yeah, we have to log in into our Google account. So let's quickly do that. Of course, we could skip this, but once again, it is pretty important as there are a lot of Google functionality in here. So I will simply click next. By the way, you don't have to manually type in, gmail.com. And let me just quickly input my password here. And if we are configuring this phone for a child, then we should set my child will be using this device, and then we'll have a lot going on with Family Link. But for me, Family Link is probably one of the most malware you could install on your phone. So I will be using my device. I can click I agree. And now it's getting our account info. We can set up our protection for my phone. So I will choose pattern. I will simply draw this little L shape here. And now we have our Google services. So if you care about your personal data, you can just you can disable using location and sending diagnostic data. Now we can automatically turn on our backup, but it does, well, for me it wastes some space, so I will click don't backup, but you should probably click turn on backup in case you ever lose your data or lose your phone or anything like that. And I believe that now, we can choose our browser and search engine. It's basically just the preference. I really like Firefox since I use it a lot, and the search engine, well, I guess we can use Brave. I'm going to set as default. And now we meet Gemini, my personal AI assistant, which I totally care about. We can turn it on or turn it off. I really hate it, so I will just click no thanks. But if you want an AI assistant, I mean, you will get it anyway, but if you want an AI assistant, you can simply go and enable it. Now you can log in into our Samsung account, which we can easily do. However, I'm going to skip it by just setting it up later in settings, as I don't have the passwords right now. And you will still need to log in. As you can see, even the phone tells us, please, you should totally log in. But I still would advise you to do it, because without the Samsung account you lose a lot of functionality of this phone. But I am pretty stubborn, so I'll just skip it. We have to agree to terms and conditions, but we don't have to agree to anything else, especially getting spam on our email. So we can click agree. We can agree to, or we can disable those. But if you like, you can also just agree to it. I will actually disable personal data intelligence. Hit agree. Then lastly, you can choose our display mode. I will choose light. And after a while, our phone is all set up. So now we simply click home, and here we are at our home screen, and we can now just use our phone however we like. So that's all for this video. If you found it helpful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.